Good morning, children. I myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to start the revision of chapter 3 of exercise 4 and 5 and assessment 2, question bag 1, page number 29 of composite mathematics 5 of class 5. Now, this in this video we will discuss the exercise 4, exercise 5 and assessment 2 of question bag 1. Now, here is the first question. Fill in each of the following boxes with appropriate symbol greater or less sign. Greater and less sign. This makes the greater sign and this makes the less sign. When we write these symbols, then the left side number is the larger to the right side number. Now, compare these two numbers. We have already learned that how can we compare the any two numbers? We have already discussed two types of the method of the order relations when according to the number of digits and when the number of digits uh, is same, then how can we compare these two digits? Now, first we compare these compare these two numbers by using the method digits. Now, count this digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. This number has 7 digits and this number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means this is a simple way to find the relation between these two numbers. This number has 7 digit and this number has 6 digit. So this number is greater than this number. Then we will insert this sign is here. Okay, students. Now, question number 2. Arrange the following number in descending order. Here is the word descending. What is the meaning of the descending? This word descending means the arrange the numbers from largest to the smaller. Largest to the smaller. Now, for this purpose, first we choose the largest number among these numbers. When we compare these numbers, we see this number is largest. This number is the largest. And after that, this number is the smaller than. After this number is smaller than this number, and this number is smaller than this number. And lastly, this number is smaller than this number. First, we discuss what is the meaning of the descending order. Descending order means the number arranged in greatest to the smaller. Now let us take an example of the smaller numbers, which you compared these types of numbers in the previous classes 3 and the 4 classes. But let us take an examples 7, 8, 12, 20. Okay, students. Now how can we arrange the numbers in descending order? Descending order, which number is the largest? Yes, 20 is the largest. So we put 20 first. After the numbers, which is smaller than 15. And after this number, 8. And after this number, 7. So in this way, we can write any numbers in this descending order. Okay, this is the largest number among these numbers, and 15 is smaller than this number, and 8 is the smaller this numbers, 15 and 7 is smaller than this number. So in this way, we can arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, children, I hope you can understand this type of examples. Now, here is the question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means, what is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means the numbers arranged from smaller to greatest. And now here is the question number 3b. Here are the numbers given. There are 5 numbers is given. Now when we compare these numbers, we find these numbers, it means 93,67,839 is the smallest numbers. After that, we see 93,68,516 is the greatest number from this number. And now after that, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 5 lakh, 40,603. And now, and we, when we find these numbers, 1 lakh, 54,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 5 lakh, 41,201. And after that, 9103241 is the greatest numbers. Okay, children. Now, in this way, we can find the greatest ascending order. Now, when we go to the next exercise, here is the exercise 5. Rewrite the following numeral with proper commas using the international system. We have already discussed what are the international system. And now question number 2, write the numbers each of the following or write the following figures. Write the number. And how can we solve these questions? Rewrite the following number with proper comma using the international system. Here is the one A 35684,129. And how can we insert the commas? Only insert the commas. Here are international place value chart. These are called the periods and these are called the places of these periods. First period is the ones period, which has a 3 places. 1,000 periods has also 3 places, and the million period has also 3 places. Now, how can we insert the commas? We insert the commas from the right side. Here we see, let us take 3 digit from the right side, 1, 2 and the 3. Why we take 3 digit? Because first period has 3 places. Now, according to these places, we insert the commas, and the second period also had 3 places. So, we insert the commas after 3 digit, and lastly 35 is it comes in the million period. So we insert the commas in this way. Now write the number name of the following. Question number 2. Here the commas are inserted already. Now how can we write this? Now students, first 3 digit shows the ones period, and the 3 after 3 digit shows the 1,000 periods, and after this digit, after this period, here is a 25 shows the million period. Now how can we write the number name? First we write the 25. There is the 25. Which period is comes here? Million. So firstly we write the 25, and after that we will write millions, which is the name of the period. Now second is the 1,000 periods. So first we write the 863. Now 863, and what is the name of this period? 1,000. Now write with 1,000. And 475, or lastly 475. Okay, children. So I hope you can easily write the number name in international place value chart. Now here is the question number 3. Write the following in figure. Here is the numbers name given in the word. 64,119,080. 64 million, yes. 64 right first. 119,000. When we goes from the left to the right, then the first period comes in the million, after that comes in the thousand, and the after ones. Here we write 64 and 119,000, 190,000, or and only 80. There is no 100 place value numbers. So there is no 100 place value. So we write the 0 and only write 80. So student, in this way, this is the 64 millions, 119,000 and 80. Now here is the I questions of question 3. 200 million 2020. 200 million. First is the period is the million. First we write the 200 million. Okay. Now after the millions, after that 1000. Here we see only 2000. So here is no 1000 place, and there is no, oh, sorry, no 100 place, and now tens place in the 1000. So we write 0 and the 0 for 100 and the tens place. Now here is the only 2000. Then we write 2 and only write the 20. And once again there is no 100 places, so we write the zeros here and 20 in the simple way. Okay children, in this way we can write 200 million, 2020. Now here is your assessment 2 question bank 1. This type of the question is also help for your unit test. And now in the unit test there are four options will be given, and one question is given here. Now how can we solve this type of the questions? Firstly we solve these questions, and after that match the answer. So yeah, first first type of the question, which is based on the definitions and which is based on the notes, and second type of the question, we can solve this type second type of the question after the calculations. Now commas are presented in a number after each. You see in the last questions, here we see insert the commas, here is the comma. How, which, why we insert the commas? We insert the commas to separate the period. Yeah, here we insert the commas, we separate the period of the thousand and the ones. So children, commas are inserted in a number after each. Which option is correct? Which option will be correct? Period. Now in this way, first answer is C. Now second question, a 7-digit number start with place in the India system. 7-digit numbers start with. Now how can we solve this type of the question? 7-digit number, let us take any numbers which has the seven digit. Now we write 1 2 5 4 8, 5 digit, 6 digit, and the 7 digit. Okay, and number is right here. Now 7 digit and not 9. Okay, now 7 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. What the question say? A 7-digit number start with, 7 number digit starts, then count it once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, and the 10 lakhs. Okay children, so that means first 7 digit from the left side is called 10 lakhs. Now here is the option is the C, 10 lakh. So children, C is the correct option. Now another question, an 8-digit number start with, it is the same questions. 8-digit numbers, if we write the 8-digit numbers, anything 1 5 2 7 9 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we see how many digits are this number contain? 8. And now count these numbers. Here we see 100,000, 10 millions, millions, and the crore. Now we count it in the international place value chart. So ones, tens, hundred. Okay, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, million and the 10 million. Okay, children, 10 million. 8 digits, 8-digit numbers from the left side is the 10 million. Now, which answer is written here? 10 million? Yes, C. So, children, C is our correct answer. Okay. Now, we go to the question number 4. The place value of 9 in the numeral. The place value of 9 in the numeral is, what is the place value of 9 in the numeral? Count it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and the 10 million. It means 10 million. It means 90 million. Where we write here 90 million? Yes, this is your answer, 90 million. Children, you see 90 lakh also. What will happen when we count it, this number in the Indian place value chart? Now let us take ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and a crore. There is only 9 crore. Which answer is comes here? 9 crore? No, there is no answer of the 9 crore. So children, our answer will be 90 million. Yeah, B, 90 million. Because there is no option according to Indian place value chart. Here is only one 90 lakh, but it is not possible in the 90 lakh. Here is the 9 crore. Okay, children. Now, so our answer will be 90 million. This is the B. The numeral 43965,817 will be written in the international system. You know how can we separate the numbers by inserting the commas in international place value chart? So children, here we see first numbers. Here we see 3-digit numbers, commas here. After 3-digit number, commas here, and the 43 is also comma here. Now, and now let us take. Now let us check the another options. Here we see these commas are not inserted according to international place value chart. Here is not also. Here is not also. So children, our answer A is correct. Okay. Now let us take question number 6. The sum of the greatest 6-digit number and the greatest 7-digit number. What is the question say? The sum of the greatest 6-digit number. Okay, children. What is the sum of the greatest 6-digit number? 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. And 9. Okay, this is the greatest 6-digit number. And what is the uh, greatest 7-digit number? Greatest 7-digit number? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. Okay. And how can we solve this? The sum, when we adding them, how can we add them? When we add, first we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after that we write here 7-digit number. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, children, when we adding them, when we adding them in this way, yes, when we adding them, we get 9 and 9, 8. And now when we adding them, we find 1, 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. Okay. Now here 9, 9, 18, 8, 1 is carry over, 9 and 18 over 19, 1 is carry over. And when we simplify then, we find this number. And where is this type of the numbers written? Yes, option B. So children, option B will be correct. You know how can we adding them. Now, question number 7. The place value and the face value of digit is always equal at the. Where is the place value and the face value always equal? Yes, ones place. How can we identify that? Ones place. Now, let us take an example 1258. Now, another number is 1456 7989. Okay, 1258. Here we see 8 is the ones place. So children, what is the place value of 8? 8. What is the face value of 8? 8. Now here we see 9. 9 is the ones place. What is the place value of 9? 9. What is the place value of face value of 9? 9. Okay children, in these two cases, we see that the face value and the face value and the place value are same. Which type of this numbers is here? Digit number here, ones place. So children, our answer 7A is correct. Now the number of zeros in the 100 millions. 100 millions. How many zeros in the 100 millions? Okay. First, for this to find the number of zeros, we write the 100 million. Okay. How can we write 100 million? Okay. Now, when we count the zeros, firstly, we write the 100 million ones, tens, hundred. Okay, once we write 100 and once, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, this is the 100 million. And what the question say? The number of zeros in the 100 millions. How many zeros? Count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So our answer will be 8. Or the option will be B. Now go to the next question. Question number 9. The numeral for 90 crore 9,000 is 90 crore 9,000 is, when we write 90 crore 90,000, 90 crore, yes, 90 crore. Okay, and now there is no lakh places, so write with two zeros, and after that 90 crore 9,000, no 10,000 places, so write 9, and after that no 100, no tens, and no ones place. So children, compare these numbers among these options. Here we see option C, there is no commas inserted, but the number of digits will be is the same, are same. Now 9000, 909, 009. So children, our answer will be C. And the numeral for 90 million 90,000, 90 is in the same question, according to question number 9. When we compare these numbers, we will find D option here. Here 90 million, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and 90 million, 90,000, 90,000, and 90. Okay, so children, 8, our answer will be D of question number 10. Now, I hope, thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned uh, very precious things and how can we solve the multiple choice questions, which is helpful in unit test. Thank you.